In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to the script editor on Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to automate a task, create a custom function, or connect your spreadsheet to other Google services, the script editor, also known as Google Apps Script, is where all of that happens. Today we'll keep it simple and focus on how to open it quickly and reliably. First, open the Google Sheet you want to work with in your web browser. Make sure you are looking at the exact file where you plan to build your script. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you are signed into the right one and that you have edit access to this sheet. View-only files won't let you work with scripts in a meaningful way. With the sheet open, look toward the very top of the page for the menu bar. You'll see items like File, Edit, View, Insert, and so on. Find the one labeled Extensions and click it. On smaller screens, the menu might compress. If you don't see extensions right away, widen your browser window or click the menu overflow to reveal it. The Extensions menu is where Google puts add-ons and scripting tools. So this is your gateway to automation. From the drop-down that appears, either hover over or click App Script. Hovering may show a brief tooltip, while clicking will take you straight there. This is the official entry point to the editor for your current spreadsheet. As soon as you select App Script, the Google Apps Script editor opens in a new browser tab. Your original spreadsheet stays open in its own tab. Unchanged, in the editor, you'll see a workspace with files on the left and code on the right. At this point you are ready to start writing or pasting code, explore project settings, or simply look around. If your organization has restrictions, you may see a notice. In that case, contact your administrator for access. To continue working in your sheet, just switch back to the previous tab. You can keep both tabs open while you build and test, which makes it easy to flip between your code and the spreadsheet. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.